Alright, so good evening everybody. So in today's video we're just going to practice a lot on what's the name? Our lookup functions. So we're just going to do some real practice on our lookup function altogether. So okay, I'll send this file to the group. So I'll do the solution on this worksheet. Then you see where I wrote do your own here. Do your own here. So you will do your own here altogether. So you'll come here and practice what I did in this place altogether. So now what I will do, so you just come here and come and do your own altogether. So that's that and that. So okay, after that okay, so now let's start. Let me clear this out. Alright, so your boss is asking, he said they gave you this data. Then I said how much will it cost to get the following number of ads? So you are giving number of ads and their prices. Now say how much will it cost to get the following number of ads? 13 ads, 12 ads, 9 ads, 26 ads altogether. So this if you understand, the last time I said you have to prepare your table first. So now we're going to just prepare the table. I just prepare the table that time. I said okay, let me copy this and then paste it here. Okay, let's copy and paste it here. You remember when we were doing one of those practice in the first video, I said when you're preparing your table, you use the list number of ads. You use the list number. So here we change here to 5. I change it to 5. I mean 1 rather. 1. Sorry. Then change here to 6 because 6 is the smallest number here. You change here to 11 because it's the smallest number here. And change here to 21 because 21 is the smallest number here. So that's that on that. Okay. Alright, so with that said, they now said find the number of ads find the price for the following number of ads. So you see number of ads, then the next table you say what's the name, price per ad altogether. So that's that. So now number of ads. So they said find the price for this following ads. That is 13 ads, 12 ads, 9 ads, and 26 ads. So you're going to use the vlookup function. So what you do now, you come here, you press your equals to. Now what are you going to use here to find this one? Are you going to use the true value or the false value? Let me give you time to think. Are you going to use the true value or the false value? Just reason on that. I remember I taught you the last time that we only use the true value when you're looking for the approximate value. You use false when you're looking for the exact value. And you cannot even find exact of 13. Why? Because 13 is not in this list. So what are you going to use here? You're going to use true. That's the approximate value altogether. So let's continue. So is equals to vlookup open brackets. What are you looking for? I'm looking for this guy. Okay. Now I say which table? You're looking for it in this table. Then don't forget to lock your table. So I've said it before. Always lock your table. Put your $sign in between. $sign in between. $sign. I'm coming. Let me lock this table. So make sure you put your $sign. Make sure you put your $sign. So okay. That's that. So then the next thing, which column is this value in? So we're looking for the price. So you say column 2. Why? Because price is on the second column. Are we together? So now ask true or false. You're going to use true. Why? Because we're looking for the approximate value. We're not looking for the exact value. Then you press enter. Next thing that is showing NA. Why is it showing NA? Okay, let's troubleshoot and see. So we're looking for, yes, this is correct. This is supposed to give us the approximate value. There's something we were missing. Okay. Yes, this is supposed to be true. And press. Why is it giving NA? Okay. We'll talk about that later. Let's see. Everything is NA. Okay, let's look at this together. Why is it giving NA? Okay, let's see, because of this 11. Okay, 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 don't worry, I will explain that later, but just see the way it is. So okay, come. Are you seeing that this is showing 1st of January when we wanted it to be just one? Why is it showing 1st of January? Is because of the naturally Excel is a very smart software. So it thought we were trying to write dates. So how do you correct it? This now you see you are seeing 1st of January. How do you correct this? So you just come here, click on format cells. Are you seeing it? So you right click, when you come here, right click on format cells. When you click on format cells, it will bring out a table for you. Then you click on tests. Click on test and say okay. Now you see that it's just one that is there. Alright, so now with that sizing that all our values are showing now, the approximate values. You are seeing approximate values for the 13. They say how much for 13 ads? 10,000. 12 ads? 10,000. 9 ads? 11,000. 26 ads? 9,000. I would say that that's just the approximate value. The approximate value. So that's that for that. So please, in this worksheet, do your own here. Find the amount, the cost for each of the ads altogether. So that's that on that. So let's see. Let's check another question. So they said, see this one now. They said this worksheet. Let me read the question out for you. Let me zoom this and show you the question. So now this question says the first worksheet contains the salaries of several employees at Pine Valley University. The second worksheet contains the age of the employees. The third worksheet contains the years of experience. Create a fourth worksheet that contains the salary, age, and experience of each employee. Alright, so I've explained what worksheet is to you before. Each of them, like this, is a worksheet. This is a worksheet. This is a worksheet. This is a worksheet. All of them they are called worksheets. I would together, but the entire file is called a workbook. I would together now. So now let's solve it. So they said the first worksheet. This is the first worksheet. They said what's the question? They said first, it contains the salary of several employees at Pine Valley University. Okay, so this is the salary. Then they said the second worksheet contains the age. Then the third worksheet contains the experience. So then I said create a fourth worksheet that contains the salary, age, and experience for each of the employees. Now it's very easy to do. First things first. Once you do the vlookup, well, once you do the vlookup to solve this, naturally you can easily go there and copy each of them. You can copy everything by yourself. You understand? But now we just want to. We're going to use the vlookup to do it. So now how do we do this? Let me clear this. I've done this before, so that's why it's showing like this. So let me just clear this so that we start all over. So they said create a fourth worksheet. This is the fourth worksheet that contains the salary, age, and experience all together. So first of all, remember I said it last time that you sometimes you have to name the table you are using. So in this case, we're going to name each and every one of them. I want to name it. I'm going to name it on a workbook scope. Why are we naming it on workbook scope? Because we want to use it in a different worksheet. Are we together? So let's continue. So if you see after this, as you said, select this one. You see that it already had the name salary. I've already named this before. And now I've taught you how to name now. I taught you how to name it workbook and how to name it worksheet. So this the name of this one is called salary. Name of this one is called age, and name of this one is called experience. So they said create a fourth worksheet that contains the salary, age, and experience of each of the employees. So as usual, you press the equals to, then find a vlookup altogether, then you open brackets. Now what are you looking for? I'm looking for Adam. What am I looking? Where am I looking for Adam? I'm looking for it in salary. Salary is the name of the table where I kept it. I mean, the name of the table. Yes, that's what I used to name it. I go together. So that's that. And then I ask for the column. Which column? Which column is it? I look say column 2. Why? If we're looking for the salary. and say is it true or false value. Now you're looking for the exact match, you're not looking for the approximate value now. So you say false. False. So you say false and press close the bracket, press enter. I see that it has reflected the salary of Adam. Now let's go here. Do you see that Adam's salary is 150? And what do you see here? This is 150. Good. Then you can drag it down to replicate formula all over and over again. And that's that. So now age, the same thing. You say vlookup, you say what are you looking for? I'm looking for Adam. What am I looking for Adam? I'm looking for it in the age, the table I named as age. Now which column? Column 2. If you want false or true value, false. That's meaning exact value. Then you press enter. Then you see it brings out the value out. You can drag it down to play for everybody. Now see, cross check. Adam age is 43. What do you see here? 43. Good. So now here we are again. The experience. You say okay. vlookup. Now you're looking for Adam again. Looking for Adam. Which table is on the exp table? The exp table. So the exp table. Then you press okay. Which column? Column 2. And then you're looking for the false as the exact match. Altogether, then you press enter. And you see that this one is showing 30.1. What's Adam showing for experience? 30.1. Altogether, then as usual, you can drag it down. And boom, like that on that. So please practice your own here. Do your own here. Altogether, so do your own here. Do this. Practice this thing on your own worksheets, on this worksheet here. So that's that. So let's look at this one. Okay, this one we are asked to. Okay, let me delete this. In this worksheet, we were asked. They said, this is the table. We have a table of different sales in a company. Now saying find the number of sales that Tom. This is Tom. Find the number of sales. Find the number of sales that Tom made. Find the number of units that Tom sold. How many radio did they sell? How many TV did they sell? How many printer did they sell? How many CD did they sell? As usual, you'll say vlookup, lookup for what? Brackets, you say Tom, comma, which table are you looking for it? You say this is the table I'm looking for it. So don't forget to lock your table. You press comma. Now come back and lock your table. Okay, so that's that. Let me lock this table. Good. So we've locked the table. So it now said which column are we looking for it? Now we're looking for now this in this data we're not supposed to use vlookup. Why? Because the value we're looking for is on a row. It's not on a column altogether. So if you're looking for a value that's on a row, what do you use? Do you use vlookup or hlookup? So you're going to use hlookup. Why? Because it's on a row altogether. So you say hlookup bracket. Which value are you looking for? Tom. Good. Which table is this thing? So you select the table altogether. You come back. So please just try and lock your table. Or just lock it altogether. Just lock your table. So let me come here and lock this table. Alright, good. Then which row? You see Tom is in which row? Is it in row 1 or row 2? This is row 1, this is row 2. So you say row 2, comma. And you say is it true value or false value? You say are you looking for the exact or approximate? You say false. That's the exact match altogether. And close the bracket and you press enter. Why is it showing NA? Let's cross check. Why is it showing NA? hlookup Tom. Which table? This is the table. So which column are we looking for? We're looking for it in column 2. Are we in row 2 rather? We're looking for the exact match. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, let's use vlookup. Let's try vlookup and see if it will work. So which column? We're looking for it in column. Which column? This is 1, 2, 3. Radio is which column? Column 3, haven't? So let's wait column 3 and press enter. Okay. As you can see, it gave us the value, so you can drag it down for each of them. You see, it's showing NA. Why is it showing NA now? Because okay, let me show you the formula in between each of them. You see, we lock the table, but we not lock the value we're looking for. So you can always come here and also lock this C18. You can lock it. Once you lock this C18 too, you can easily drag it and get the same answer altogether. So are you showing that? You see that it's showing 6. Why is showing 6? Is because we kept the value. We said the column we were looking for is column 3, but TV is under column 2. So you change this 3 to 2. Press enter. You see it brought us 9. And you see printer. Printer is under column 1. Printer is under column 7. I will together it's under column 7. So you come here, change this column to column 7. Press enter. Then you see CDs. CDs under which column? Column 5. So you come here, change it to 5. And press enter. So I will together. So that's that. So which other one? Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this too, and I will call it a video. So now they said, now they gave us this table. They said this is the standard for grading student. They now said, okay, find the grade of each of these students that are here. Find their grade all together. So as usual, you prepare the table by putting the lowest. So I already prepared the table here with 0, 60, 70, 80, 90 all together. So I prepared the table already. So now use your vlookup. So you come here, select, say vlookup open bracket is equal. So what value are you looking for? I'm looking for 63. So under which table? Under this table here. I go together. So you want to lock this table. Make sure you lock your table. Why would it lock in the table? It's just best practice. It's just because, okay, I will explain it later though. I'll send that later. So make sure you lock your table. After locking the table, you okay. Then they said which column? We're looking for it on column 2. That's that. Then okay, we're looking for the true value, that's approximate value. So you say true. I will together, then you close brackets, press enter. Now that 63 is what D, I will together. So you can drag it down, and you can drag it down, and to give us the value for each and every. You give us the grade for each of the students. I will together. So okay, if you drag it down here, are you seeing? Now this is the grade for each of the students. I will together. So we're done with that. So please do your own here. Practice what I taught you here. Alright. One more thing, let's be the financial model. So they said, be the financial model that can convert any amount of dollar to any of the underlisted currency. So $1 is equals to 1,000 yen is equals to 5 pesos and 0.7 euro. Are we together? So they now said, build a financial model that will convert this, that can convert any amount of dollar to yen or to pesos or to euros, given the following data. Are we together? So you're going to use the vlookup. You're going to use the vlookup. So this is okay. Now let me copy this. Okay, no need. Now what you just have to do here is this. Okay, let me read this from scratch so that you will not be confused. Are we together? So okay, let's say the first thing we'll ask is how much in dollars are you trying to convert? So you say how much. So the person will put in his value. Let's say the person is talking, want to convert $15 to this thing. Okay, so you now say what currency is the person looking for? You say I'm looking for, change it to yen. Convert it to yen for me. So your calculator will now be the one to convert it. And this is equals to, let's say equals to, so that on that. So how do you read it? So you say v is equals to. So now here you have that our table is in rows. So you're going to use your hlookup here. hlookup. So hlookup. So what are you looking for? I'm looking for yen. In which table? In this table. So you lock your table. So you lock your tables as usual. So which row? Row 2. Then you're looking for the false, that's the exact match altogether, then you close bracket. So now we want to multiply this times this value that's given to us here altogether, then you press enter. Are you seeing that now that has given us the value in yens? So $15 converted to yen will give us 15,000 yens. If I change this one and I say pesos, I press enter, it's not the value have changed. That is 5 times $15 give us 75 pesos. I change here to euros. Let's say, let me say euros. Let's say the value has changed to 11. So that's just how it is. You understand? So you successfully built a financial model. That's that. So